from holiday, and she's a really big fan of both channels. And guys, woo, have you seen what she can do with that Rubik's cube? Give it to George to mix it up, and you watch. You watch.
I can't wait to see this. I'm excited. George mixing it up, mixing it up. I do know it takes me about 5 minutes to do one side. Yeah, easy. Okay.
Go on.
Wow, fast hands.
So cool. How can you memorize how to do that? It's like, how?
Hands are just moving like.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Nearly done. Ooh. Concentrate. So close.
Wow. Nearly there. Whoa! Well done! That was amazing.
Size. It took her 2 years to know how to do that.
That's amazing, that is. And well shot. That's amazing, isn't it? Yeah. It takes me like so long to do one side.
I can't even do one side yet.
Look at this, guys. Wow.
Wait, what did you watch to? They watched some YouTube videos. Learn how to do it. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a method to do. Yeah.
So cool. Well done.
Yeah.
So how many methods is there to do it then?
There's quite a few. There's like a speed method and a beginner's method. I use the beginner's method.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed that crazy.
So cool that was. Are you taking that cube into the pool? Okay, let's see you run and jump then.
Bye.